Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify inheritance claims with LegalMatch step by step clearly. To verify inheritance claims with LegalMatch, start by visiting the LegalMatch website. Once on the site, locate the search bar typically found at the top of the homepage. Type in inheritance claims to find related resources and articles. Explore the provided information to understand the general process and requirements for verifying inheritance claims. Next, scroll down to find the Get Matched section on the homepage. Click on the Get Started button to begin the process of finding a lawyer. Fill out the questionnaire with details about your inheritance claim. Be as specific as possible about your situation. This will help in matching you with the right attorney. After submitting your information, you will receive a list of attorneys who specialize in inheritance law. Review the profiles of each lawyer, focusing on their experience and relevant case histories. Choose a few attorneys to contact based on their qualifications and your comfort level. Reach out to the selected attorneys via their provided contact methods. Schedule an initial consultation to discuss your inheritance claim in detail. During the consultation, be prepared to provide all necessary documentation related. Ask questions about their process for verifying inheritance claims. Once you feel confident about a particular attorney, proceed with hiring them. Follow your lawyer's advice throughout the verification process to ensure the best outcome. Keep detailed records of all communications and documents related to the inheritance claim. Stay informed and engaged during the entire process for optimal results. By using LegalMatch, you can streamline the verification of your inheritance claim effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.